Can we pray behind a person who believes Allah is everywhere?
If we knew that he believes in that, not because he belongs to a sect that they say that, remember this, okay? Then we don't pray behind him. If we believe he says that, because some people think that, oh, because he belongs to such and such sect, then he must believe in everything that that sect say. That's not correct. So if he believes in Allah is everywhere, that's the belief of the Christians. That's the belief of the Jews. That's the belief of those people who don't believe. I mean, Allah, they say that, yes, Allah is with you. He has to be with you. So if you're in the toilet, He's with you in the toilet. And we get worse, He's in your stomach. He's in these areas. A'udhu billah. Ta'ala Allahu amma yaquluna aluwan kabira. How can they say that? Allah is in the sewage? Allah in your stomach? That's why they say when they take this little bread and with the wine, they put it in their bodies, because they say that this is the body, it will turn to the flesh and the blood of Isa alayhi salam. So your God will be where? In your stomach. That's why somebody had left Christianity because of this. He said, okay, well, we're going to digest it then. And then we're going to go through the toilet. That means I'm eating God, drinking God. What am I doing? So he left Catholicism at the beginning, and then after that he left Christianity because it doesn't make sense to him.